Ohio Means Jobs Fulton County welcomes you to In Demand Jobs Week.
Hi, I'm Chuck, VP of Operations here at Swanton Welding and Machining. We've been a family-owned business for 64 years, specializing in custom steel fabrication. We have immediate openings for full-time, first shift welders and experienced fabricators in both Swanton and Waseon locations. These positions are direct hire. We offer a very competitive wage and a great benefits package. If you're interested in joining our company full of opportunities, give us a call, email us, or go online and fill out an application.
If you're looking for more in-demand careers, follow us at Ohio Means Jobs Fulton County on Facebook and go to our website, fultoncountyoh.com.